Hello everyone, this is YouTube weekly forecast for GBPJPY and gold. We suggest you to watch with 1.5x speed because I talk a bit slow in English. We can go and check the gold weekly forecast and GBPJPY on previous week, and then we can let's go ahead and quickly watch what we said for 1 minute or so last week, and then we will compare it with this week. So basically here on a weekly time frame we expected to retest this area here 180. So let's go ahead and remove all the drawings. Let's go ahead and go on the monthly time frame on gold, and we can see that this month closed bullish, and then next month just starts shooting up. And then yeah, as you can see here on the weekly forecast, we added this video 1800, and then as you can see here, the level is, we came in and we tapped, we made the video right over here. So as price was breaking this weekly high, so we could have entered a trade 200 pips with 400 pips take profit. So this week has closed bullish like this. Now we are at the resistance, so we need to be very cautious around this resistance not being possible with buys. However, if we create a lower, we can then take out these highs here. We can go ahead to the downside, but I think we're doing a correction because this wasn't a very crazy move, or we already did the correction actually on a daily. But as you can see, this level on daily is being respected. Here we had support, broke support, came back, acted as resistance, and now we are at this level again with acting as resistance. But as we know, this setup now, it's been very used nowadays. I'm sorry for these bumps. If we come up and break these highs, we should be good to go up, but here we have so many rejections. As you can see, this is not clean traffic at all on daily time frame, so we need to be very cautious. For the downside, we have support here. I would say resistance. If we break that level, we can come up to this demand area again, so to 1840, 1830, 1840 region for the next week if we tend to break these highs, and then we move up. But I'm a bit, so checking the previous week, we closed strong bullish. The monthly hasn't created a wick to the downside yet. It's very mixed signals. Daily closed bearish. 4 hour, we broke this with NFP, we broke this support, we broke this range, came back, closed below the range again, and then yeah, so it's gonna be quite tricky. We came to the support, we tested the support, this area here. It's gonna be tricky. However, if we go in 1 hour time frame, we can see that if we tend to break this support here, we have a clean traffic, we can mirror and come back again. If we do in this range here, I will not take any trade. In this range here, I don't see myself taking trades. So yeah, next week I expect, if we respect these highs here, to come up to this level 150, 160s. Next week I expect to come to this level and then retesting again this level. If we respect this resistance, if we break this resistance, we can move to 1840, 18 this to this level here. As you can see, 1830, 1840 is quite interesting level. Let's go ahead on GJ and check what was the GJ forecast. Sorry for yawning there. So let's go on GJ, and GJ we were here breaking these lows and we said that we can come up to the downside. Let's go ahead quickly monthly, just create a wick and then start to come back down, but we need to break this previous monthly low to keep going down. Weekly is like this, daily. So the video where we made the daily was right over here, and then we said here we will keep going till this support area, which we did right over here on daily time frame. We just came back, made a retest, and then we just flipped to the downside. So daily and weekly now, I expect if we break these lows here, we are in a support area, so it's not very easy to trade. It's 100 pip move from here, but if we break these lows, we can for sure come up to this level here and retest this level again, or possibly even move more down, but I don't believe we're gonna move too much down. However, yeah, we have this and we have this clean traffic here, which as soon as we close below the support, we should be good to go down. On a 4-hour time frame, we started to respect this support here, so we must take out this support for further continuing to the downside, and then take out also this box area of here, and then yeah, as you can see, this was the demand area. We came up, tapped in, and then moved, retest the previous lower high. That should be on a daily time frame. We are in a downtrend because we didn't take these highs yet. We create a new lower low and we didn't take these highs. We're currently retesting this lower low that we made, and basically we can make either a double bottom and move up, or just break this level and then just keep going down to the 161 level, 161.50 possibly, or 161.250, this range, because this is like trickery. GBPJPY has been very tricky. As you can see, no clean moves, just so many fake outs, so many corrections happening. It was not easy to trade. But yeah, that's about it for the next week. Sorry for not giving you a deep analysis, but to recap, if we break this level here, we should be good to go down to the upside. I don't see anything clear to the upside. We need to break on the daily these highs here to come up, retest these highs, but in the 4-hour these are the highs, so then in the 4-hour we have support. It's very tricky. It's very tricky. Gold is more clean, because gold, if we break these highs here, we should be good to go up. If we reject these highs, we should be good to go down. If we break these highs, if we respect these highs, we come up, we fill this week again on a daily time frame. So I will be focusing more on gold. This was the trade recap for Money Squared YouTube channel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you guys on Monday for the daily forecast video. Thank you for watching.